Hello, buyer behavior students, and welcome to week number 8. Do you believe it? We're already at the end of the semester. All right, so what do you have to do this week? This week you have to design and complete a commercial. Now, hopefully you've signed up with a group and you're working with a group already on this because I introduced this several weeks back. I often get asked, can I do it alone? Yeah, you can do it alone, but it's a lot of work to do it alone, and it would be better if you could connect up with a couple of students and get it done that way. You can do it in any format that works for you. You can use Canva. Canva is a good source. It's free to students. You can use any kind of video program that you like. You can even use a PowerPoint, right? And use it to voice over and use it as a video format. You can use TikTok, right? Or you can knit a couple of TikToks together, or you can use Instagram. You can use any of these platforms, any of these programs that you're comfortable or familiar with, as long as I can see it in Blackboard, or you can at least send me a link. Please don't use Google Slides, because you can use Google Slides to work together, but then when you submit it, please submit it in a different format. The reason is that it requires permissions, especially if there's video or any kind of audio, and it oftentimes slows things up at the end of the semester for me, waiting to get those permissions from you guys. All right, that's what you have. Now, in addition to that, in addition to doing video, you need to do a small write-up. It does not have to be long, guys, We're talking like 100 words. I want to understand what buying behaviors you utilized in your commercial. Now, the company that you're supposed to be doing it about is supposed to be somebody who's got some kind of an ecological or maybe a social or ethical style to them. And so you want to tie all of that in when you do your write-up. Here's the company we selected. Here's why, right? Here are the buying behaviors we put into the commercial, and here's where you're going to see them. Only one person in the group needs to post, but make sure everybody's name is on the post and what everybody contributed as part of the commercial. All right. That's it. That's what you have, and then we're at the end of the semester. In addition, if you get an opportunity, I would really like it if you guys would fill out the assessment for this course. Assessments are used by the university, taken very seriously. They're used to determine how people feel about the way the instructor instructs, how the class is set up, whether you like the material, you learn something from it. But they also use it beyond that to determine if an instructor gets another class, if an instructor gets a raise, promotion. So it's used very seriously because it is your voice. This is your voice. So if you get a chance, I would really appreciate if you would fill out the assessment. And that's it. Remember, I usually take work late, but we're at the end of the semester, and many of you, in addition to me teaching the next part of the semester, so I can't take anything past the end date of the class. I must have it in for the end date of the class. All right. Good luck this week. I can't wait to see your commercials. I'm always so impressed with what students come up with in these commercials at the end of the semester. Thank you, everybody, and have a great close to the semester.